Hello and welcome to a brand new video from myself, the Fish Geek. I am going to be running a series of videos talking all about external wall insulation. That is also going to be abbreviated to EWI. And throughout this series, I'm showing you how I've insulated my house to get a much better insulation value, keeping us all that much warmer inside the house and keeping the costs down, as we've seen all the energy prices going through the roof over the last couple of years or so. This is just something to help improve life for everybody. Now, I have been on some basic training courses for this, and I have to say I've learned a lot through the journey. So make sure you watch the series of videos which I will be releasing, because I do improve as I go and I do learn lessons as I go, and I like to share those as well. Feel free to comment throughout the series and let me know any feedback that you may have. It's good to share those ideas with other people. So without further ado, today I'm going to be talking about the Universal Primer. It's a short video. This is something which is key to go onto the walls to get good adhesion when you're working off a pre-existing wall, which perhaps you have render on already. Just make sure that that render is of a good quality and it's not going to come away from the wall. If you have got render like I've done on my previous front walls, which was really peeling away, make sure you get that all off first and then render this system directly onto the block work rather than over the top of the render. So there's my tip first of all. So without further ado, let's talk about the Universal Primer. Okay guys, so this is what I've managed to get done in about, I don't know, half an hour or so, something like that. It goes on so easy, it's unreal. And you don't have to make it perfect by any stretch of the imagination. You can see though, as it sort of gets going, it's really much like, feels like sandpaper. That's how I would describe it. But that's going to make a really good adhesion to the wall, so very happy with the way that looks. So grab hold of the Universal Primer. That's one I already had. See that in there? Pop there. I haven't got a lot left, but that should just be enough for it to go on here. It goes absolutely everywhere. So I've got some of the surface protectors for the floor. I'm making particularly sure I've got these corners nice and tight, because if anywhere is going to go, it'll always be on the corner. You can probably hear all the sand or quartz, whatever you want to say that it is in it, hitting the floor. That's how rough it is. Don't be shy with it, but so it hasn't got to be perfect. I've got the lights to take off, and I'll do that tomorrow because it's getting dark now, so I can still do having the lights on the house for a bit longer. And here's one of the boards. Okay. They're pretty big, so I know I need to come out past that light quite some distance actually.
So probably lights are there. We'll keep going. Let's see if I've got enough. Got more in order. Hasn't taken that long to do that in the slightest. So give it sort of, expecting to do about 24 hours. It's very hot at the minute, so it's going to be probably touch dry in the next hour, and be really good to go on in the next few hours if you really wanted to, but I will be leaving it overnight and then give it a go tomorrow. Cool. I'll just do a little bit on the other side. It's around the corner as well. I'll explain a bit more why I'm doing that tomorrow, and yeah, happy little bit of a day's work. Thanks very much.